Yeah, hello everybody. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Yeah, thank you very much for joining. You are all welcome. So we're about to start this live weekly analysis. So yeah, let me share it to the free channel and the free Telegram channel and also my VIP and premium channel, right? So that they can join us as well. This is very very important. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, welcome everyone to today's live stream. And we're about to start this weekly analysis. So if you have any particular pair at all that you want me to check out for you, you can write it down in the comment section or live chat section, right? So that I can see it and analyze that specific pair that you want me to just analyze for you, right? That's it. Yeah. Welcome, bro. Welcome, everyone. I'm here, boss. You welcome. Joshua Adebayo. You welcome. I appreciate your presence here, right here, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, somebody's saying volatility 75, right? All right. We'll check volatility 75. And then somebody is saying, I can't hear anything. Can you guys hear me? Oh my goodness, let me check my microphone. And my mic is on. Everything is going on normal here. Let me check it again. Everything is normal. I don't know why you can't hear me. Can you hear me now? Because it is very important for you guys to know, to hear what I'm talking about, right? Because all of my settings, they are okay. Nothing wrong with it. Okay. Somebody is saying, I hear you. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. So yeah, somebody is saying GBP but I can't hear you. Okay, I think it will buy. Volatility 75, V75. Good afternoon, bros. Yeah, good afternoon, bro. How are you doing? Happy Sunday to all of you. Hope you guys had a very great and wonderful Sunday, right? Then I hear you. Okay, that's cool. GBP okay, that's very good. I'll try to check the GBP and volatility 75. I see a lot of you guys are just commenting about volatility 75, right? Okay, I will check it out for you so that I can tell you what exactly I'm expecting volatility 75 will do in the next few hours or in the next coming days, right? But before we start, please and please, guys, thank you very much for joining, and also hit the like button. It is very very important, bro. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family. And if you are new here on this particular channel, my name is Israel the Trader, and I do trade forex because it is pretty obvious that I trade forex. So yeah, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Every Sunday we do come up live to analyze some of the pairs that we are about to be trading it when the market opens, right? So it is very important for you to join the family so that we can be connected on each of our platform. And also don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. As you can see here, this is the free Telegram channel. Join us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere, man. Let's just be connected on all of these platforms because it is very important, right? That's why we say we are a team. So that's it. And right now, let's dive ahead and start the weekly analysis. According to what I received from you guys is that You guys are talking about this volatility 75 and GBP/USD, right? So somebody said we can't hear you clear. Okay, V75. Hi, boss. Boss, hope you good. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you very much for checking on me as well. So yeah, we'll start with this GBP/USD. After which we go down to volatility 75. You know, because I see a lot of you guys are trading volatility 75, right? So this is volatility 75. If you guys remember in our last analysis, the analysis we did last, this particular pair was right here. It was here. If yeah, I think it was even here. So I said that it's going to buy before it will sell, right? And as you guys can see, that's what exactly happened. So I don't want to just maybe replay the video or things like that, but I can still replay for you. In our last week analysis, I did mention about this volatility 75 as well. So it was right here. Then I say it's going to buy. It bought all the way to this point before it started selling. And right now, it's kind of consolidating. But I think this volatility 75 will still go up to the upside before it will still come down. Or else, it will just be reacting to this particular zone, making it to be like choppy market. Just, moving around. There's no specific direction, right? So we're trying to see what exactly is going to happen in few hours or in the coming days, right? So we are not ready to analyze this volatility 75 at the moment. Let me just start with the GBP/USD, right? Let me start with the GBP/USD. Then from there, we'll now go down to the volatility 75. If you guys remember, I'm still holding one of my trade on this volatility. On this GBP/USD, right? So GBP/USD, it might buy all the way to the upside, but let's try and do the analysis first before we say okay, it's going to buy or it's going to sell, right? It is very important for us to know what exactly is going to happen on this particular pair being GBP/USD. So yeah, this is GBP/USD now for our time frame. So let me clear the analysis. That was the previous analysis. So let me go down to daily time frame. This is daily time frame right now, and this is weekly time frame. You guys are seeing it, right? So this is weekly time frame, and this is daily time frame. So we will start with the daily time frame, not the weekly time frame, because I usually start my analysis on daily time frame, not the weekly or the monthly time frame. Of course, you can still check monthly and weekly for you to just know where are your major support and resistance levels are. Just try and take note of that. You use monthly and weekly time frames to know your major resistance and support levels. Always try and do that on the monthly and weekly time frame. Also on daily time frame as well, you can still do that, but on weekly and monthly, you get it, very accurate if you know how to put it. So yeah, right now we are about to start plotting our support and resistance levels on this pair being a GBP/USD daily time frame. Then we'll go down to 4-hour time frame. Then from 4-hour time frame to 1-hour time frame. Then there we go all the way to 5-minute time frame, right? So yeah, and also if you still need if there is any particular pair that you want me to still analyze for you, you can still write it down on the live chat section. Then I'll check it out for you and tell you what exactly is going to happen on that particular pair whereby you specify for me, right? So yeah, let's continue with the analysis for this particular pair being GBP/USD. And like I've said earlier on, that this is the daily time frame, right? So I will start by putting my support and resistance on this daily time frame. So yeah, I'm putting my major support and resistance levels right now. So you guys are seeing it, right? So yeah, these are some support and resistance, and I'm seeing another one here. So this one, let me just make it to the downside this way. So this one to come down a little bit. Yep, that's it. But I'm seeing another thing here. So this is where I do plot something like this. If you observe some of my chart, I do put things like this, right? So do it that way, but I'll reduce it a little bit so that it will not be very big if I go down to lower time frame, right? Yep, I think I'm good like that. So I'm just plotting my support and resistance levels on this particular time frame, being the daily time frame, right? Of course, I'll still go down to 4-hour time frame to amend some of these support and resistance. So these are support. Make sure you are putting your support and resistance accurately, guys. Don't just randomly put your support and resistance. Never try to do that. Because if you just put your support and resistance randomly, definitely something is going to happen. And you might be thinking that the market is not going in a direction whereby you are the one that is not putting your support and resistance accurately, right? As you guys can see right now, you see, this is how it is. It is very, very accurate, right? On the 4-hour time frame, but I put it on the daily time frame, right? So it is very important for you to take note of them. To take note of this support and resistance of this particular time frame being a 4-hour time frame. So yeah, and there's another resistance here. So actually, I'm seeing another resistance at this particular point. You see that the whole of that zone is actually a resistance level. Right here, it is another resistance because you see what happened at this level. But I'm seeing another resistance right there as well. Let me just extend it to this level. Yep. So yeah, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing right here. If you're not understanding it, just let me know. Say, hey Israel, I don't understand this, I don't understand that. I'll try and explain it for you so that you not be left behind, right? Yep, so you guys can see that these are my support and resistance. Let me just shift this a little bit to the upside. Yep, like that. That's cool. So yeah, this is GBP USD at the moment, and I'm seeing I'm seeing some things here again. So I'm going to put something like this right here. I'm gonna put something like that. So I'm gonna do it like that. Yep. So you guys can see right now, yeah, what I'll be expecting on this particular pair being GBP USD at the moment. I might, I will expect it to either break out of this zone or come down to this level before it will go up to the upside, or break down to this point and come up for retracement, then push a little bit to the downside, right? Because right now I'm seeing something like head and shoulders round the form. But if it's able to break out of this zone and close above this particular level, then we will be expecting a breakout of this level again. Once it breaks out of this, then what is going to happen next? This is what is going to happen. Boom. To continue the move to the upside. But without it breaking out of this level, definitely we might see another push to the downside for another retracement again before it will start moving to the upside. So it is very important for you to monitor this particular pair being GBP USD when the market opens, right? So that you can understand what exactly is going to happen if the market opens, because it is very, very important for you to know all of these things, so that you'll not be left behind. So yeah, this is the analysis for GBP USD. So there is a potential of this particular pair to come down and retest this zone before it will push to the upside, or It might even break out of this level. Once this level get broken, definitely it's gonna push to the upside and reach to this level, right? So that is what is going to happen on this particular pair being GBP/USD. So wait for it to break out of this zone first. So yeah, the person that gave me this particular pair being GBP/USD, do you have any question before I move further to go and check another pair as well? Because I'm seeing somebody saying a V100 and the Euro JPY. You know, in with binary, I only trade volatility 75. I don't trade volatility 100 and things like that. I don't trade them, but I'll try and check the volatility 100 for you, right? Volatility 100, let me check it out for you. So this is the volatility 100. So this is it right now. And let me just wait for this person that gave us this particular pair being a GBP/USD. Do you have any question? What is his name? Tafari Abraham. Do you have any question? If you have any question, just let me know. But saying, hey, Israel, I don't understand this, don't understand that, right? So that I can just put it through. It is very, very important. Okay, I think there's no question for that. So let's go down to volatility 75. So I'll analyze volatility 75 first, then I'll go down to this pair that you guys gave me, right? So I'll analyze volatility 75. So right now this is volatility 75. And you know, we'll just start by putting our support and resistance again, right? So, but I will not be explaining the price action behind this particular pair. What is the price action side of it telling us and things like that. I will not be explaining the price action, to be honest with you guys. You know, it is very important for me to just tell you what I'm going to do and what I'm not going to do, so that you'll not be saying, hey Israel, so you're gonna do this, you didn't do it, and things like that. So if I'm going to do any other thing, I'll tell you, okay, see, I'll do this, I'll do that, right? But if I'm not going to do it, I'll tell you I'm not going to do it. So it's just my personal choice. That's how I am, right? So I can't just be lying to you that okay, I'm going to be doing this, I'm going to be doing that. No, I can't tell you that. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing, because I don't want you to be start telling me, hey Israel, I don't know why you do this, I don't know why you do that, you know. Because I just like to keep things real and you know, and simple, right? So you guys can see what is happening on this particular pair being volatility 75, right? So yep, this is what is happening on it. So right now, from here to go to this level before to go up, but most importantly, wait for it to break out of this level, or since the market is going up to this level, and this can happen as well. This can happen, retest, boom, continue to the downside, right? But right now, if it can keep on pushing down right here, so it might start selling to the downside, right? It might start selling like that. because it's not able to push to the upside anymore. So yeah, but I'm not seeing any price action signal right here telling me that it's going to sell. The only thing is that I'm just using normal how the market used to move, right? But right now, there's no indication for me to get in for a sell. No indication. So what you are supposed to be doing right now is wait for breakout of this level. If he's not able to break out of this, then wait for this trend line to break. After this trend line break, then wait for it to retrace. After retracing, then you get in right here for a sell and sell it to the downside, right? And of course, trade on your own risk, man, because when it comes to forex trading, you all know that forex trading is very, very risky, right? So you can lose your whole earnings or your money in just a matter of a few seconds or few minutes, right? So that is what is going to happen on this particular pair, being volatility 75. So wait for it to come down to this point and retest, then you get in for a sell to ride it all the way to the downside, right? And of course, if eventually this level get broken, your next target is going to be right here. This level is going to be right. It's going to be your next target. That's it. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on this particular pair, being a GBP, no, volatility 75. I was thinking that we are still on GBP USD. So it is what it is, man. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on that. The person that gave us this volatility 75, if you have any question, you can ask me right now before I move ahead. I'll go and check another pair. Oh, right. So somebody is saying Euro JPY. What are your thoughts on volatility 100? Somebody is saying, Israel, do you have a video on how to draw a trend line and what it means? No, I don't have any particular video on how to draw a trend line, except if you guys want me to make a video about trend line, support and resistance, all these kind of things, I can make a video about it and upload it so that you guys can know what is going to happen, or how to plot your support and resistance, and how to accurately plot your trend line and things like that, right? So if you guys need it, I can do it at any time that I'm free, right? And of course, you know that I have to handle some businesses and things like that as well. So yeah, I'll go down and check this volatility 70, volatility 100, not volatility 75 anymore. So I'll go down and check volatility 100, because that is the next pair that we are about to check now. So this is volatility 100 now, and I'll check it out for you. So this is volatility 100, and this is for our time frame. Like I've said earlier on, I don't trade this particular pair. I don't trade it at all. I don't trade it. So let me analyze it for you so that you can understand what is going to happen on it, right? This is the reason why I say price action and naked chart is very important for you to know, not trading with indicators, because price action and naked chart, it works on any particular pair that you know in this world, on this earth. Let me just use that word. On this earth, any pair that use chart and use candlestick pattern, naked chart and price action will work on it. So this my strategy works on any pair, not only volatility 75, GBP USD, Nasdaq, any pair. I trade anything that I see. Random trading, that's what I do. So any specific pair that I just analyze and see that, okay, I like the setup and it has my signal confluences, what I do is I just get in, calculate my risk reward ratio, calculate how much I'm going to lose if the market go against me, calculate how much I'm going to be making if the market go in my direction, right? So that it is very important for you to know price action and naked chart trading. It is very, very important for you. And of course, like I do say, it is your personal choice. If you like trading with indicators, you can trade with indicators. If you like trading without indicators or anything like that, you learn price action and also you learn naked chart trading, right? It is very, very important, guys. It is very, very important. Very, very important. So yeah, let me continue with this particular pair, being volatility 100, after which the next pair that we are having is what we call this Euro JPY, right? Then after Euro JPY, I see some people are still coming. Welcome everybody to today's live stream. Today we are doing a weekly analysis so that we can know what exactly we are going to be expecting from all of these pairs that we are, analyzing when the market opens, right? So it is very important for us to do our analysis today, since today is Sunday and the market usually opens by 11 p.m., right? And it is 6 p.m. instant time. So yeah, let's continue with this volatility hundreds. From there, we now head over to our currency pairs, right? So this is it. I'm putting my support and resistance right now. Then from here, I'll just go to I'm seeing another resistance. Yep, that's another resistance here. That's it. So yeah, these are the support and resistance now on this particular PB volatility hundreds. So there was a trend line right here. Yep, there was a trend line right there. As you guys can see, this was the first touch, second touch, third touch almost here, then the fourth touch, right now fifth, and breakout happened. So right now, a retest, and so yeah, what is gonna happen now is that I'm seeing another thing again. I'm seeing something here. Hopefully you see this. I'm seeing that. So yeah, right now, remember this is 4-hour time frame, because I don't trade all these small time frames. I don't trade them. So yeah, what can happen now on this particular pair is, as you see, came down. Let me just do it. As you see, came down from there to this point. So right now, it's trying to come up for another move to this side, right? So once it come up to this level, what is going to happen next is it's going to come down. It's going to come down to this level again. So it might just continue moving in a range. Then what are you going to do? Wait for breakout. Wait for breakout to happen and retest, because right now there's no clear move to either to the upside or to the downside. None of the above, right? Because right now it's kind of ranging, and it might continue ranging in this area. So it is very important for you to wait for it to break out of this, either to the upside or to the downside. And of course, according to what I'm seeing, it might break out to the downside to come down to this level and retest again, then continue the move to this previous support line, right? So wait for breakout on this particular pair being volatility 100. But right now, it's trying to come up to this level. Then if you see a breakout to the upside, then you trade it as a buy, right? If you see a breakout to the downside, you wait for retracement and get in for a sell in order for you to ride it all the way to the downside. So that's why I say it is very important for you to monitor what is going on any particular pair that you want to trade, right? Because like me personally, I'm 24/7 right here on my desk analyzing all of this space and analyzing indices and indexes, right? So it is very important for you to monitor what is happening in the market so that you will not be left behind and miss a lot of things, right? So it is very important for you to monitor it. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on this particular pair being volatility 100. If you have any question again, you can let me know so that I can just kind of put you through on what you did not understand. But before that, welcome everyone again. I'd like to welcome you guys. If today is your first time right here on this particular channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. Follow us on our free Telegram channel. This is the free Telegram channel at Israeli the Trader. And follow us on our Twitter handle, Instagram, and Facebook page, right? Let's just be connected on all of our social media platforms. It is very important. So like the video as well, share with your friends and family. So let's continue, guys, with what we are doing, right? It is very, very important for us. So yeah, the next pair that we are having now, it is what we call the Euro JPY. That's what we have right here. That's the next pair that we have to analyze. So Euro JPY. Okay, so as you can see, I still have my analysis on Euro JPY, but I'll clear that and do another analysis on it so that you can understand what you are going to be expecting on this pair when the market opens, right? Because it is very important for us to be doing our analysis every Sunday so that we can know what are we going to be expecting when the market opens. So this is Euro JPY now, and like we usually do, we'll start by putting our support and resistance. But before that, let me start reading your comments or your chat so that I can understand exactly what you guys are saying, right? Somebody is saying good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, bro, and good afternoon, sir. We welcome everyone. Please make a video on how to accurately plot them. It will be highly appreciated. All right. Can you make video about price action trading candlestick patterns? Okay, all right. I will see if I can do that and upload it publicly, right? Because like I do say, there are some things that we don't share on YouTube. That is the reality. It is better for me to tell you what we do as a YouTubers, oh my goodness, none of the YouTubers is really sharing everything on YouTube. Nobody. Definitely there must be one or two things that is still missing on YouTube. That's it, bro. Like me, it took me a whole year to figure out how to trade Forex. A whole year. And you be expecting it to give it out for you free? Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm just trying to, I'm just trying to tell you what other YouTubers are doing and what me personally is doing as well. Because it is very important for me to be transparent enough than for me to tell you, okay, with this strategy that I released on YouTube, you'll be profitable, you make a lot of money on it, just go and watch the video, like it, subscribe to the channel and things like that. No, I don't tell you that. I say what I share, it will help you, to identify how you can do it in the forex market, and it will also help you to be profitable. But I'm not giving you assurance of you will do it, things like that. I'm not giving you any assurance of that. But I can tell you what I do here on YouTube is to help those who are not good in forex trading. I'm just trying to help them. So I'm not saying with this strategy or with this thing that I'm sharing on YouTube, you're going to be 100% profitable. No. Even me personally, I'm not 100% profitable. 100% no. So I'm ranging around that kind of 80 something to 90. You can put me that side, not 100%. No, that's not me. And I'm not saying all of my trade I win it. No, that's not true. At times I do experience stop loss hits and things like that. But at the end of the day, are you able to be profitable? That's another thing. You ask yourself, are you profitable in the market? Whether you took some losses or you have your take profit hit and things like that. Are you still profitable? Ask yourself. You have to ask yourself those questions. Are you still profitable if you take some losses? This is where risk management comes into play. This is where risk management comes into play. It is very important for you to do your very good risk management. Me personally, I risk 1 to 3% of my account size. I risk 1 to 3%. I remember forex trading is very, very risky if you don't know exactly what you are doing in the market. But if you know what you are doing, you can calculate your risk to reward ratio, right? You put your stop loss, you put your take profit and things like that. That's how you can manage and secure your capital, right? Because before you get into trade and you don't know where your stop loss is, where your take profit is, you just get in and buy or sell any pair, right? Because it is very easy for you to just standard lot size buy or sell it, and the market either go in your direction or against you. That's the two things that can happen in the market. It's either goes in a direction or against you. That's, it definitely this move must happen either in your direction or against you. So why not calculate your risk to reward ratio, know how much exactly you're going to be losing if the market go against you. That's the reason why we do put stop loss. That's the reason why we do put stop loss. And if you're not okay with it, that means trading is not for you. Trading is not for you. You have to learn how to do a very good risk management. Risk management is what matters in the first market. That's why I say, even if you join my signal group or anything like that, without you performing a very good risk management on your account, there is a possibility of you still blowing your account, right? Based on no matter how it is, at times we do experience some sort of drawdowns in the market. It's not every time that if I send signal, then directly it will shoot in profit. No. At times we do experience drawdowns, right? We do experience drawdowns. So if you don't like drawdowns, you do your risk to reward ratio. Calculate how many pips you're going to be losing. And of course, if you do see some of the signals that I do send, let me show you something. Let me show you something right here. Because anytime that I'm doing either analysis or whatsoever, okay, this is the free channel. Let me go down to my VIP premium channel. This is the premium channel, right? So let me show you one of our signal. Okay, let's take for example, this is one of the signals that we took last week, right? And of course, our first take profit was triggered for 30 pips. So it was triggered for 30 pips. Me personally, I'm still in this trade right now, holding it, right? So and of course, this is where I show you, I showed them my account. I didn't see this particular trade in the free channel. I just share it in VIP and premium channel. And of course, you can see this is premium channel. And let me show you the VIP channel. So this is the VIP channel. And let me show you where I send the. So you see, this is the Euro USD buy signal that I sent last week as well. And of course, you saw it in my premium channel. This is it, buy signal. So I do share the signals with the VIP student and the premium student. But the difference between the VIP and the premium student is that VIP student, they don't get some sort of educational things, no Zoom calls, nothing. What I do there is I just send them signals. That's it. Just signals, buy this, sell this, finish. There's nothing much. Give you stop loss, give you take profit, first TP, second TP, and third TP. Then I tell you how much pips are those particular first and second TP or and third TP, right? So it is very important for me to just tell you exactly what is going to happen. And right here, as you can see, this trade, it is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It is 1 to 2, right? Of course, if I'm risking 1% of my account size, definitely I'm going to be making double of what I'm risking. That means that is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So if this trade go against me, I know that I'm going to risk 1% of my account size. Let's take for example, if my account size is $5,000, right? Or no, that's too much. I know that's not every one of you that have $5,000 to trade in the market, right? And as you guys see, it's pretty obvious that my account right here is 2,259. That was the account balance, right? 2,259. That's the balance that I had in my account. Then you see how many lot size did I put? 0.02, 0.02. You see, this is what I call risk management. Risk management is very, very important in the forex market. If you are able to make like 50% of your account size every month, it is very, very good for you to see that gradual growth, right? It is a process. It's a gradual process, So if you're able, 50% is even too much every month on your account. Let's take for example, this my account size is $2,259, right? So if I make 50% of this particular account every month, you know that I will be going with like $1,125, right? $1,125, every month is still cool. It's still cool. Then next month my account size is gonna be like $3,000 plus, right? So of course I can still do it, the risk management again. I risk 1 to 3%, or I'll just be risking 1% of my account. And if I'm able to make another 50% in the next coming month, you know that I'll be up again with $1,500. So then my account balance is gonna be $4,500. So you see, it is a gradual process. As time goes on, you just need a very good risk management. As time goes on, you start building up your account, you're compounding, and maybe you are still doing your 9 to 5 job. Then you can be compounding by adding like $500 or $1,000 every month again. Then it will be kind of accumulating and increasing in your account balance, right? Then if you are comfortable with it, then you can start risking less, like 1% again per each trade. And every day, if you are able to make like 1% of your account size every day, you know that in a month you will be up 20% of your account size. 20% by doing like 1% of your account every day. So let's take, for example, this is $2,000 account size, and I'm making 1% of my account every day. 1% of it is going to be $20, right? So I'll be making $20 every day. There are $100 in a week. Then in a month, then I'll be up $400. That's about like 20% of it. So $400 is still good. You see that? That's how we do a very good growth, right? So it is very important for you to do all these kind of things. It is very, very important. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, you know that I like talking about forex trading. All right, I like talking about it, bro, because I feel so bad why others are losing money and while others are making money. What are you lacking, or what are the things that you are lacking in, and you are not able to be profitable trading forex? Just figure it out. Today, if you lose money, how did you lose that particular money? What goes wrong? Trying to check out some errors. If you study physics, you know what I'm talking about. Let's say, for example, you're trying to plot graph. You know that there are some errors that you need to avoid, right? So same thing goes with forex trading. If you are trading forex, there are some things that you need to check out as well in order for you to do it properly, accordingly. Same thing goes with plotting graph in physics. There are some procedures that you need to follow, or instructions, right? You need to follow in order for you to plot your graph accurately, or as expected of you to do, right? So same thing goes with forex trading. There are some instructions or procedure that you need to follow in order for you to be profitable. Are you getting it now? I don't know how I can put this all of these terms so that you can just understand and stop being a new forex trader. You are here on ITT, and all we do here is to unblock the forex secret. I'm unblocking the forex secret for you so that you can be profitable in the forex market, like some of us are being profitable in the market, right? So we know how to do this, and we know exactly how you feel when you lose money. Because when I started forex trading, I was not making profit. Like I do say, I spent one good year just doing nothing, no profit, nothing, bro. Even after that 1 year, not that I was so much profitable, no.